Good morning! Uy. It's 8:30 in the morning. I'm making coffee. See, coffee is live. And I got my Nescafe noong, ano pa to, 2 weeks ago ata. Nag-order ako sa Amazon. Yan. At paubos na naman. Yan. You want some coffee?
I guess.
Okay. Diba punong-puno guys? Oh, tingnan niyo yan. Gagawa natin ng coffee seed. Diba as well. Yung binili niya coffee yung nakaraan, grind na siya. Hindi pa ako nakapag-fix or I haven't fixed the bed yet. Mamaya na yan guys kasi kagigising ko lang. Sarap ng tulog ko kagabi. I have 3 stuffs here that I have to open. Kagabi pa namin to nakuha from nag-stop by kami sa mailbox kagabi. We went to Duplex. Yesterday, nag-mow yung asawa ko ulit kasi yung grabe yung grasses doon, ang bilis tumubo. And he just mowed yung sa front area lang. So, let's open this one. At yung mga binibili ko, damit lang naman to guys. Naka-promo. Kaya binili ko kasi naka-promo. Okay. So this one, bumili ako nito kasi pang linis ng kuko. Merong pang linis yung asawa ko ng kuko pero hindi ako satisfied. So bumili ako ng mas sharp. This one. And mura lang to. Like, I think this one is $1 only. And then, ito naman. What else I have here? Aha. Yes. Tama ba ito? O kulang? So, ito. Tagal ko na itong naka-add to cart. Hindi ko siya mabili-bili. Ay, maganda. Okay. Alright. This one. Nung nasa Pinas pa ako, guys. Yung mga size ko talaga usually is extra small. And, I know, ilang beses ko na itong sinabi. Like, here talaga parang, ay, nako, good luck na lang. Yung aking size is biglang lumobo. And, okay. This one is a jeans. Ang tagal ko na itong gusto rin. And then, nag-low price siya. So, kinuha ko na. So, yan. Yung cut niya, hindi wide, leg pants. Parang ganyan siya. Which is similar siya sa white pants na nabili ko. Like, a month ago, I think. So, ito ay from Daisy. Which, Daisy kasi parang maliit yung size niya. So, yung kinuha ko na size from Daisy is, usually kasi, like right now, nasa small ako. But, from Daisy, I got medium size kasi maliit yung sizes ng Daisy. But this one, I'm sure this will fit me. These are very good jeans. I think I got this one for, if I am correct, mga 16. Tama ba? $16? I'm not sure. But around 16, 15, or 17. This one. This one, I got this one for like, I think 5 lang. So, usually talaga, like, mga binibilhan ko na online is Shein lang talaga. And somebody told me like, have you tried Temu? I haven't tried Temu at all. I mean, I heard about it. Ang daming bumibili, I think. Ang daming advertisement about Temu. But takot ako sa Temu. Hindi ko alam. I just don't trust Temu, I guess. But Shein kasi, nung nasa Pinas pa ako, I love buying stuff from Shein. Kasi I know that they are really like very good when it comes to shipping, putting the product, whatever the you ordered, yun talaga yung dadating. Walang mamimes, walang ano, yun lang. But this one, I got this for free. Since I am a member of Shein Club something, so they gave me free item. What is that? I think this one, damit ng kids. I think yeah, damit ng kids. Yep. Ito naman is, oh, bumili na talaga ako guys. Kaya mura na akong nabuang here. Hala. This one is like yung sa waistband. Tama ba yan? O sa tummy ba? O, so pag mag-workout ako, gagamitin ko siya. Hopefully this will work. Sabi nung may nag-review na sinuot niya pag natutulog. Sige, suotin ko para kasi nga summer na guys. And yung pool sa subdivision, open na siya. Like everybody who live here can use the pool. Then nakikita ko pag nagda-drive yung asawa ko doon. Hala. I mean, like, ang daming naliligo sa pool. And I just remember myself ba, like, 2 years ago, with my friends, nagayang ako mga bikini videos and everything. And I, like, look at myself in the mirror, like, oh my goodness. Where is that body now? And this one, this is so nice. I got this for Yashli. Diba? For church. Kasi nagsisimba kami. Yung mga kids, kailangan nila ng something formal or dresses for church. So, napabili ako. And again, hindi siya yung expensive stuff. Ay, nice. Yeah, this will fit Nicole. Green with the pants. Yeah, nice. Okay. I'll just need to wash this one. 11:50. So, matagal na to guys, hindi ko pa naluto. So, hindi kami nag-spaghetti dito. All the time. So, lulutuin ko na to para hindi na masayang. Hindi pa naman tayo but still, ito, beef meatballs. Ano ba nangyari dito? Natin siya yung microwave. There we go. Nabihis ulit ako. Anyway, I'll give you a little update on our yard. Backyard area. Kasi meron ako mga nadagdag na flower ulit for the past 2 weeks na hindi ko na video because tinamad ako guys. Anyway, meron akong nabili sa Lowe's. Sa Lowe's ko ba ito nabili? So I got this, sa Pinas we call this one gumamela, tama ba? Yeah, gumamela. Yan, and this is on clearance. So binili ko na siya. And I think I got this one for only $9. So maliit siya. Yung malaki nito guys, sa Lowe's, it cost, if I'm gonna get one, it will cost me around $36. So sabi ko, maliit na lang. Palakihin ko na lang siya. So please, grow. And then bumili ako ng lavender for the very first time. I didn't realize yung lavender na flower pala, may amoy. Kaya nga, merong lavender smell dyan. So yeah, I just realized, may smell nga. And then this one, I got 2 lavender from Lowe's again. And then na-realize ko, ayoko nang bumili ulit ng plants. I just wanted to have like mother plant, like ito, like itong lavender na to, gusto ko siyang paramihin. So I have to like propagate. Palubat na yung camera natin. So madaliin natin. Anyway, ito naman, first time kong nakita. Hindi ako nag-video nung nakaraan, 'di ba? First time siyang naka-display sa Lowe's. So ito ay climbing rose. First time akong magtanim ng climbing rose. Ang dami ko nakita online na sobrang ganda pala tingnan ng climbing rose guys. And this one will grow up to like more than 10 feet long and even more. So depende na yan sa pag-aalaga, and that's why I had to make sure that this will grow healthy and better. And this time around mas more green and marami na siyang dahon and meron na siyang mga buds na naglalabasan dyan. I really made sure na ma-take good care ko siya, and then everything na nilagay ko dyan is compost. Yung flower, meron akong mga tinanim dito na buds, yung parang gabi na pink. Gabi na pink, hindi ko alam, hindi ko na makikita saan dyan. O diba? Yan, meron tayong nadagdag, and then meron akong binili na this one, hindi ko na maalala yung pangalan. But yeah, yan, pang pakulay lang. Yan, so yung iba, like 8, nasa likod, nasa side ni mom, sa kanyang room. Then ito naman yung rose natin, yung nakaraang rose na binili ko sa Sam's. Yung isang rose, hindi ko na maintindihan kung saan ko to ilalagay guys, but I'm really thinking na gusto ko sana magtanim ako dito na side. Ito yung sa bedroom namin, ito yung window ng aming bedroom. Gusto ko magtanim dito. Dito, maglalagay sana ako dyan ng area kung saan maglalagay ako ng pathway. Like ganun. Pero sobrang mahal kasi. Ayaw ko. Hindi ko alam kailan ko yan magagawa. But I'm planning on planting that here. Or maybe there at the end. Kasi ito lalaki din tong rose na to. Oh, diba? I'm so curious how it looks like. Please, mag-bloom ka na. Hindi ko pa siya nalipat. So, ililipat natin siya soon. Meron ibang plants dito. Like, mayana lang to sa Pinas guys. Pero dito, ginawa nilang tanaman. Halaman. This one. I got this one for like $2 lang to. So, palalakihin ko siya. Maganda to pag lumaki na, guys. That's why, nilagay ko siya dyan. And hopefully, this will grow big. And maganda talaga siya. Nakikita ko siya sa online. And this one as well. Clearance sale. Nabili ko siya for $5 only. Why not? Diba? Maganda to. Malaki yung dahon nito, guys. Lalaki. Maliit lang siya tingnan ngayon. Kasi maliit siya. Pero lalaki yan. As in, lalaki yan. Pag naalagaan ng mais. And this one, meron tayong ganito sa Pinas. Meron din tayong ganito sa Pinas. This one. And this one will grow as well. I think 6 feet if I am correct. But yung binili ko nga maliit. So naka-clearance din to sa HEB nung nagpunta kami ni husband nung nakaraan. Nasa labas na kasi sila. Yung ito guys, parang papatay na or should I say parang ano na yung dahon niya ba. This one, I just save it. Like niripat ko and nilagyan ko ng something just tas ngayon nabuhay na siya. Oh, tingnan yung dahon niya. Nung nakaraan parang luspad na. It's gonna rain. Look how dark.
I'm kind of worried about that.
The tire needs to do it now? No, tomorrow. It's very dark. Oh, paulan. Okay. Sobrang hangin. Oy! That's fine. She's walking.
Wow.
Hola, grabe ka dark sa clouds. Noons. She was like, I'm flying. See? Sobrang hangin. Your bangs is flying. Your bangs. It's flying all over. Yeah, sobrang hangin na talaga. Oh. Hi. Hi, girl. How are you, girl? Come on. Hangin kayo. Kaulan nun. Oh, what is that for? What's that? How was the mathematics tutorial today? Good. Okay, good. Good. We are in the line. We are going to pick up mom's prescription. What? No, it's Daddy. He needs that one though. Oh, you guys, you see? Oh, Jesus Christ. We are home. So, mukha akong ewan. Nilamig ako, guys. Tugno kayo. Ulan kayo sa duwas basa. 6:16 already. I don't like that bag. That's not for women. Anyway, meron akong binili sa Amazon guys kahapon or kahapon po. Kahapon ba? Tama ba? Or Wednesday. So, bumili ako nitong rooting hormones kasi may nakikita ako naririnig or I've seen a lot of videos like yung mga people like into gardening, like if you wanted to propagate your plants and flowers through cutting. So, ito yung ginagamit usually ng mga taong mahilig sa garden and they wanted to plant out of stem. So, like powder para daw mag-roots siya ng fast. So, I really have no idea. This is the first time that I got this one. So, let's see and hoping for the best that it will work. Because I honestly wanted to just buy flower and plants for like a mother plant and flower para i-multiply ko na lang sila. So, hopefully this will work. So, this is how it looks like. Sa Amazon ko ito binili. Hi guys! So, we already received the box that Mom Amy gave us. Thank you so much! So, this box is from New York. New York pa guys. Pinadala niya sa amin like kailan ba yun? Saturday? Careful! Daw! What? Fragile daw. Wait lang kayo, giputos ug maayo.
Wait, naka-feel ko something.
Ano sa'yo mo ang guess? What's your gift?
Glass.
Nico, careful with the ano kay
Pangkuan.
Tagana kayo.
Uy! Diday.
Sa laptop.
Napkin. Oh. Protect.
Hala! Ang gusto ni Ashley. Oh no! Ito. Ay, diba? Thank you. Ang daghang dried mango. Alam mo, tilaw daw ko. Ano, tika tingin.
Napa! Nagpalit di ako.
Hala, Ashley daw. For you. I wanna say.
To Jenny.
Thank you so much.
Laba ko.
Hala, gitagaan na kunyag bag.
Skincare.
Hala, ka-cute man, ani, ma'am. Oy, my cute girl. Thank you very much.
Okay, ako na nagamitin tomorrow from now on.
Yung sa ingon, huy, pasalamat.
Thank you. Makeup.
Thank you so much.
Salamat. I got my
God.
snack. Bye.
This is so cute.
Awa! Just kidding.
Agmaka.
Ako na.
This is so nice. Thank you so much, Ma'am Ami. Hala, thank
Ganun
you.
gusto nga stay.
Nabia siya something inside, Nicole. Did you look? Siya something
lang.
inside. I think so. Look.
Try to check. Ako na.
Ay, ang yang ano.
Imong ko na smart.
Dust bag.
Cute!
Or ano lang siya, pang ano lang.
Yung bibot ko lang pala siya. Asa na? So cute.
Ay, thank you very much. Hala, si Ma'am Ami. Ina nga tayo. Ay, thank you so much, Ma'am Ami. This is so nice.
It's so cute.
Very nice. Thank you very much. Ang stick, gidi ang gusto. Ay, Ma'am Ami, ang stick. Nakaunti ko sa nagbantan. Gay ko one. I want one.
Hindi matangtang na na, I think.
Wait. Here.
Matangtang.
Natangtang na.
Wait.
That one. One.
Uy!
Careful, careful.
Imo ako.
No!
Bang!
You're so good.
Balik na po ito.
Tanawa, gamay kayo.
Tapo!
Look at this. It's so pretty.
Balik siyang tapo. Yeah.
What happened? Ang unboxing ba kayo? Na-distract na ako sa stick.
Na siya matapot, no? Buta na si mong
No, paste.
refrigerator.
No, ay, magnet man ito eh.
Gani,
Ah!
refrigerator!
Ay, this one too. Ay, to Jen. Ay, this is letter. Thank you. Ganahan pa kong letter. I'm keeping all. Look at this.
Ay, cute!
That's so nice. Huh?
Cute!
Very cute, no? So cute. That's so nice. There's a letter
Pero,
inside. Read it. There's
I
a
love
letter.
you, Colleen. Kisa na? Kisa na, Colleen?
Colleen, you're awesome. Drawing naman.
Cute!
It's a drawing, but there's a letter there. Dear Jen and family, pasensya ka na sa padala ko. Sorry, hindi ko mabili yung... No, that's
Over?
free. Mom, itong binigay mo sobra-sobra na actually. I mean, like,
Cute! Hello.
this is a very nice one. What?
Perfect.
Perfect. You like it? She was like, I'm gonna use this tomorrow. Ay, you have no school tomorrow. Monday. Company store ng husband ko. Regards to all. Thank you so much.
Okay.
Thank you so much, Ma'am Ami. Thank you very, very much. It doesn't matter talaga for me. Like, anything, guys. Like, kahit ano pa yung ibibigay. We really appreciate it so much. Ha?
Snacks, ibutang dere.
Ang stick, gisulod sa bag.
Hala, no.
Hala, nice na
Nangayob
bag.
yung kung gingon ani nga bag. Ikaw ay, nakakita ko sa kong friend na siya gingon ani nga. Hala, gusto ko na. And then,
She's dreaming of this bag because she saw her friend daw na merong bag na ganito and she's
I want a
like,
smaller one kay kapoy niya talaga. Nako.
yeah, you can adjust this one if you want. That's for Ashley. That's a very nice one too. That's really cute.
Uy, ala, nasi card, credit card.
Yeah, like pocket where you can put credit cards,
Okay,
cards.
so credit card.
Yeah, ano na siya? Ano siya? Belt body. I think, ano na siya? Ana.
Gita,
Ano lagi?
Gita ako daw.
Or pwede siya ana. I think.
Ana.
Pwede
Ay,
siya ana.
cute!
That's mine. That's very cute.
Soon it will be mine.
That's so very cute. Ano
Soon
ba?
it will be mine.
Soon it will be yours. Look, this is so cute. Tingnan nyo naman to. Imagine how cute this bag. Asa na ako sa siya gamiton? Mura ko matog kuan mag-date night mini Belle. And we're going to Wala, thank you so much, Ma'am Ami. Nakamay ka. Of course, para naman yan. O, ito Colorado?
I don't know, asa na.
Where are we gonna get? Yeah, that's a state.
Wala ko balok.
This is very cute. Uy, pwede na ko siya dalhin sa church because
Sa
it's
school, sa school.
my God, cook school. Pwede ko siya dalhin sa church kasi maliit siya.
Ayan mo to.
Ay, nice.
Ay, nice.
Very nice. I thank you so much. This is so nice. Ay, kapinangga ba namo ni Ma'am Ami, oy? Ma'am Ami, you're so very amazing. Very generous talaga si Ma'am Ami. Thank you so much, Ma'am Ami. No, oy, katulong na niya package. Like, this is the third time. I'm like, I can't believe. Kasi yung mga binibigay niya sa akin, ito, like, for example, itong bag na to, hindi ko to binibili. Kuripot ako, guys. I'm kuripot. So, hindi ako bumibili ng ganitong, mahal na bag kay I just don't wanna spend the money for bags na ganito. But, yeah, I'm so grateful. Thank you. Muhilak na bugo. Ay, nahilag, Jenny, be.
Mang naman na lang gabidyo mo sa sun.
Because it's so nice to have a sun kiss.
Ikaw ano yung mata, mata sa sun. Na, buta ko.
Nabuta. Oh, arte.
Mamali, ibok na pag yun. Ah! Isa ba? Oh, you're not funny. You know you're not funny, no? You know you're not funny.
I'm not funny, are you sure? Uy! Meron siyang binigay sa aking dermatologist.
Ano sila kung English kay us?
Yung aking pronunciation. Serum. Alo, marang nindot lagi ni siya.